Hi, in this video we will discuss about algebraic fractions. And algebraic fraction is a fraction with an algebraic expression in its numerator, denominator, or both. An example is given to us that we should express x divided by x minus 2 minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 as a single fraction. First, we put down our solution. So our expression says x divided by x minus 2 minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. The first thing we do here is to take the LCM of the denominator. And the LCM for both denominator is giving us x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So our expression becomes x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. We have that x minus 2 and x minus 2 will cancel out, and we'll be left with x plus 3 multiplied by x minus also x minus 2 and x plus 3 divided by x plus 2, we'll be left with x minus 2. So our equation becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2. So we have here to be x minus 2 multiplied by s plus 2. Now, let us expand the bracket of the numerator. So we have that x times x is x squared plus x times 3 is 3x minus x times s is x squared, x times plus 2 is plus 2x, minus 2 times x is minus 2x, minus 2 times plus 2 is minus 4. Everything is divided by x minus 2, x plus 3. Now, if we use our minus sign to open up the bracket on the numerator, we'll be left with x squared plus 3s minus s squared minus 2x plus 2s plus 4. Everything will be divided by the denominator, divided by x minus 2, x plus 3. From our numerator, x squared can cancel out minus x squared, minus 2s can cancel out plus 2s. So our expression reduces to 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2, x plus 3. We have now been able to express our fraction as a single fraction. Now we are given to simplify x divided by 3y minus x minus y divided by 3x plus 1. So we have solution. We have that x divided by 3y minus x minus y divided by 3x plus 1. At this point, we take the LCM, and the LCM of our denominator will be the product of 3y minus x and 3s. So our LCM is equal to 3y minus x and 3x. So we have that 3y minus x multiplied by 3x is our LCM. So 3y minus s times 3s divide by 3y minus s, we'll be left with 3x. 3s times s is giving us 3s squared. Also, 3y minus x times 3s divided by 3s will be left with 3y minus s. 3y minus s times y is giving us 3y minus x times y. 3y minus s times 3s divided by 1 is 3y minus s times 3s. 3y minus s times 3s times 1 is giving us 3y minus x multiplied by 3s. Now at this point, we have to expand our numerator. So we have that this becomes 3x squared minus 3y squared plus xy plus 9xy minus 3s squared. Everything will be divided by our denominator. 3y minus x, 3x. So at this point, we can further simplify our numerator. 3s squared, we cancel out negative 3s squared, and plus xy plus 9xy is equal to 10y. So our expressions becomes minus 3y squared plus 10sy all divided by 3y minus x multiplied by 3s. Also, from our numerator, if we factor out y and rearrange our expression becomes y open bracket 10x minus 3y divided by 3x multiplied by 3y minus x. Now we have that simplify 4ax minus 12x plus a minus 3 divided by 18 minus 2a squared. So from here, we have that 4ax minus 12x plus a minus 3 all divided by 18 minus 2ax. Now, from our numerator, we can be able to group terms. So we have that 4ax minus 12x grouped together plus a minus 3 also grouped together, all divided by 18 minus 2a squared. Now, from our numerator, if we apply our knowledge of factorization, our expression becomes 4x open bracket a minus 3, because 4s times a is 4as and 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x plus 1 a minus 3 all divided by, now also we can express our 18 as a product of each factor. So we have 2 times 9 minus 2a squared. So our numerator reduces to 4x plus 1 multiplied by a minus 3 divided by, in our denominator, we can factor out 2. So we have 2 open bracket 9 minus a squared. So our expression becomes 4x plus 1 multiplied by a minus 3 divided by 2 open bracket 3 squared minus a squared. Now, looking at our denominator, we have an expression there that represents difference of 2 squared. So we can also rearrange our numerator as a minus 3 multiplied by 4x plus 1, all divided by 2, open up a bracket, 3 minus a, and 3 plus a, since it's difference of 2 squared. Now, note that a minus 3 can also be expressed as minus, open bracket, 3 minus a. So therefore, from our numerator, we can express a minus 3 as minus 3 minus a multiplied by 4x plus 1, all divided by 2, 3 minus a multiplied by 3 plus a. Now, it's obvious that 3 minus a can cancel out 3 minus a. So we'll be left with negative 4x plus 1, all divided by 2 times 3 plus a. So now we are given to simplify 2x cubed divided by 2x squared minus 6xy plus 9y cubed divided by 3y squared minus ys. So our expression is 2x cubed divided by 2x squared minus 6xy plus 9y cubed divided by 3y squared minus yx. Now the first thing we do is to factorize our denominators. So our expression can be expressed as 2x multiplied by x squared, all divided by, we can factorize 2x squared minus 6xy as 2x, open up a bracket, x minus 3y plus, also our numerator here can be expressed as 9y squared times y divided by, we factorize y from our denominator, we have y, open bracket, 3y minus x. From here, we can cancel out 2x and also y can cancel out y. So our expression becomes x squared divided by x minus 3y plus 9y squared divided by 3y minus x. Now note that if I have 3y minus x, it can also be expressed as minus, open bracket, x minus 3y. So therefore, our expression becomes x squared divided by x minus 3y minus 9y squared divided by x minus 3y. Now, since we have been able to obtain the same denominator, our LCM becomes x minus 3y. So therefore, x minus 3y divided by x minus 3y will give us 1. 1 times x squared is x squared minus x minus 3y divided by x minus 3y will still give us 1. 1 times 9y squared is 9y squared. So our numerator can be expressed as s squared minus 3y all squared divided by x minus 3y. Now, if you observe, our numerator has been expressed as a difference of 2 squared. So our expression becomes x minus 3y and x plus 3y, all divided by x minus 3y. So x minus 3y can cancel out. Our expression reduces to x plus 3y. So we are given to simplify this algebraic expression. Let's start by writing our solution. So we have that x squared minus y squared is divided by x squared minus 2xy plus y squared multiplied by 2x squared minus xy minus y squared, all divided by xy plus x squared divided by y minus x, all divided by s squared minus sy. Now, at this point, x squared minus y squared can be expressed as difference of 2 squared. So we have that s squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y, x plus y. Also, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared is a perfect square trinomial, and it can also be expressed as x minus y, x minus y, and 2x squared minus xy minus y squared can also be expressed as 2x plus y, x minus y. Now, let us substitute all our expressions. Our fraction becomes x minus y, x plus y divided by x minus y times x minus y multiplied by 2x plus y times x minus y divided by xy plus x squared, all divided by y minus x divide x squared minus xy. Now, looking at our expressions, so we have that x minus y can cancel out x minus y, and we'll be having that x plus y will be divided by x minus y multiplied by, also we have 2x plus y, x minus y. Now, from the denominator, we have xy plus x squared. We can factor out s, and our denominator becomes x, open bracket, y plus x divided by y minus x, all divided by, also here we can factor out s. We have x, open bracket, x minus y. At this point, looking at our expression, y plus s can cancel out x plus y. Also, x minus y can cancel out x minus y. So we'll be left with 2x plus y divided by x, all divided by y minus x divided by x open bracket x minus y. Now at this point we can introduce our multiplicative inverse. So our expression becomes 2x plus y divided by x multiply by x open bracket x minus y divide by y minus x. So s can cancel out. Our expression becomes 2x plus y multiply by x minus y, all will be divided by y minus x. Also note that y minus x can be expressed as minus open bracket x minus y. Now our expression becomes 2x plus y multiplied by x minus y is divided by minus x minus y. So x minus y can cancel out x minus y. Our expression now reduces to minus 2x plus y. That is the answer. Thank you. I know you have found value in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video because it encourages us to do more videos. And also comment. If you have any question, I'll be willing to answer. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.